Hi guys, welcome back to another video. I'm Lexi.
I'm Denali.
My mini client. What we're gonna be doing today is
The mini manicure.
Let's get to it. So we are back with my mini client and we're gonna be doing a little mini mani. She has a little bit of length, but she has different shapes. So what I'm going to be using, a nail clipper. I have trimmed, beveled my file. Nail cleanser. Okay, we're gonna clean the nail plate. We're gonna go ahead and put a base coat. We have done a base coat and we have done 2 coats of her favorite colors. Now we're gonna wait for this to air dry so we can do some nail art and we can place a top coat. Now that they have dried, we are going to apply the top coat. So give it that extra shine. And we're all done?
And I love them.
If you have liked this video, don't forget to subscribe and like down below. Until next week.